trying to see if this black center console works better in my Mustang. It's very dirty. So we're gonna clean it up here. I got the greaser and Meguiar's quick interior cleaner. She's cracked a little bit here. It's probably in worse condition than mine, so I don't know if I'm gonna end up using it or just using this piece here, which I do need to replace on mine. So I guess I'll get to start with the cleaning.
I don't really care so much about this port here.
It's definitely coming along way cleaner than it was originally. This piece. So far I've only hit it with the degreaser, so I'm gonna hit it with the Meguiar's now. I do have a video of how dirty it was before all this, so I'll put that in. So as you can see, she's very dirty. Looks much better now. There's a few scrapes, but yeah, much cleaner. So little imperfections here and there, but overall much cleaner. I popped this out because my car comes with the fog lights, so I'm gonna put the fog lights in that hole there. Even dirtier in there. But it is looking good. The problem with this is one out of a 94, I think. Came with the cup holder in here, which I would have preferred, but it's broken. So I'm gonna take this inside out and replace it with the inside out of my center console. Put it in here, it should fit hopefully. Trying my best to get these crevices cleaned out. Probably won't be able to do much more. It's extremely dirty down there. Did my best to clean this thing out. Might end up painting it. Yeah, I don't know. Don't really know if there's much we can do about that. Looks just rusty in there. Got that a little bit cleaner. Still working on these edges here. So this is the current one. I don't know, I don't like the tan compared to the black. I think the black is gonna be a much cleaner look. The only issue is this is currently working. I don't know if that one works here, so I don't know if the connector back there is bad or what. The main reason I wanted to replace it was this. It's kind of completely falling apart. So that's why I really wanted to do the replacement. But yeah, so I gotta take off the shift knob, take this out. Clips behind here. Screws here. And then it should come right out. Okay. So if you had the automatic, you would not have to do this. But I do have to get the shift boot off. Because I have the manual. Nice Hurst boy. So let's for these brackets, I need, I think it's a T25. I need the light on. Boom. She is. Original center console's out. That took way too long. Let's see if this is just as hard. I think eventually I should do something about this now. Maybe JB Weld, plastic weld, something. I should be able to fix that. So, black center console is in. I am a big fan of that look compared to the brown. So I did end up using my inside. No cup holders. We're going cup holderless. Yeah, but other than that, it fit well. It did take a lot longer than expected because there's still a wire harness connected to this one. I left it on. Got this in there. So yeah, there's a product. Get everything cleaned up now. So yeah, appreciate you watching. And I will make an update video soon.